In Korean, 나이 means age. And in this lesson, we'll learn how to say your 나이 in Korean. 저는 your age. 살이에요. 저는 살이에요. 나는 your age. 살이야. 나는 살이야. 저는 이에요. And 나는 이야 means I am, right? And 살 is a measure word for your years of age. Do you remember in Korean number there are two ways to say numbers? One is Sino Korean number and another one is native Korean number. We use different number in different situation, but when it comes to age, we use native Korean number. So let's take random numbers, for example. Do you remember what 19 is in Korean? In Sino-Korean number, it's 19. In native Korean number, it's 19. So when you say your age, you can say 저는 19살이에요. 저는 19살이에요. And how about 31? Do you remember how to say 31 in native Korean number? 31. 31. So you might think it becomes 나는 31살이야. But this is actually wrong. And you should say 나는 31살이야. 31살이야. So this is another grammar rule that you need to know when saying native numbers with measure word. So when a number has 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷 in its last figure, it changes its form. So 하나 becomes 한, 둘 becomes 두, 셋 becomes 세, and 넷 becomes 네. So for example, 31 in itself is read 31. But when combined with the measure word, it becomes 31살, 31개, 31명. 개 is a measure word for the number of things and 명 is a measure word for the number of people. Then how do you say I'm 22 years old in Korean? 저는 22살이에요. 저는 3살이에요. 저는 34살이에요. For the rest of the numbers, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, they don't change their form when combined with measure words. So you can safely say 나는 5살이야. 저는 16살이에요. 저는 38살이에요. 저는 49살이에요. There is one more number that changes its form when coupled with measure words, and it's the number 20, 스물. When 스물 is combined with measure words, it becomes 20살, 20개, 20명. But other numbers such as 열, 서른, 마흔, and the rest are read the same. There's no change in form. Only the number 20, 스물, has a different rule. So that's one way of saying your age in Korean. And there's also another way, another popular way Koreans say their age. So instead of saying your actual age, you can also say your birth year. So if you were born in 1995, for example, you say 저는 95년생이에요. 저는 95년생이에요. So you don't need to say the full year, you can just say the last two figures. And unlike saying age, when saying year, we use Sino-Korean number. So if you were born in 1982, you can say 저는 82년생이에요. 저는 82년생이에요. 저는 75년생이에요. 저는 00년생이에요. Or you can also say 저는 2000년생이에요. In this case. 저는 04년생이에요. 저는 2004년생이에요. If you want to ask other people how old they are, there are a few ways. 나이가 어떻게 되세요? 나이가 어떻게 되세요? 나이가 어떻게 되세요? Is the politest and the most common way to ask someone's age. You can also say 몇 살이세요? 몇, how many? 살, years of age. 이세요, are you? But the first one sounds a lot politer and softer. So when you're asking age to someone who's not that close to you, you can use the first one. If the other person is an elderly person, perhaps above 65, you can replace 나이 with 연세 and say 연세가 어떻게 되세요? 연세 is another word for age that has a more respectful nuance. 세요 is a 존댓말 verb ending that has more respect to the other person than 에요. However, you shouldn't always replace 에요 with 세요. This is the grammar that we'll discuss later in another lesson. We'll also learn how to form a question in general. If you're really young and don't need to use 존댓말 to other kids that look your age, you can say 몇 살이야? To ask one another's age. So 몇 살이야 is a 반말 question to ask one's age. Okay, so that was it for this lesson. Now you know how to say how old you are in Korean and ask others how old they are. Thank you for studying Korean with me, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye bye. 안녕.